Hi everyone, welcome to the Lowveld Walkers podcast. I am your host. My name is Sihle Sithole and today Sasekile na Kwandile. Hey guys, nijani? Miyaphila nami. Ngizoba ngathi ngajabula. Okay, so ngicela ungitshele ngawe ngibani makabani. Hlalaphi?
My name is Kwandile Mashaba.
Okay.
My name is Sasekile Manzini.
Okay, Kwandile na Sasekile. Do you mind sharing kuqala kwenu join Lowveld Walkers? When did you join Lowveld Walkers?
2020.
When?
Also 2020.
2020. Okay. Ngiphi i-walk leyakujabulisa? Cancer awareness. Mind telling me about it?
It was fun because the telling me thing.
Okay. When?
You know, it's also like the cancer awareness because it was fun. The telling my pain. Like some of us were happy, but some of them were not happy. But I enjoyed when we were thinking it's for telling my pain.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yini nikufunzile ngalokho?
Like I learned good to cancer it can get to anywhere. Like I also learned good you must love each other at Lowveld Walkers.
The unity. Yeah, that's good. For Kwandile, tell me about your first walk experience.
My first walk experience, I was scared because I was meeting a lot of people, but I was brave enough to me.
Okay.
But the difference from back then and now I'm just used to it.
You're now used to it. Oh, okay. Akusafana, akusasinzima. So, mahlangana nalabantu labaningi so now. Wabanjani?
Just scared.
You were scared.
See, a lot of people can unite like this, bend one family.
So, what happened now sawalka yini lo wayibona? Kambe waqhubeka waba scared or waba relaxed? What happened?
I was relaxed because most of them were disciplined.
Okay.
They're very
That's good. So Sasekile, how was your first walk?
The first walk was so fun, but it's the thing with it, I didn't know everybody, but I was scared and I was brave, but I was still, I was so tired. And then when I went to WhatsApp, then I started to talking to other girls, like Botobeg or something. So then I met them, then we started talking, then we went back to the start, then we're talking like it's also like a team. Like we are one family. We must I also like to say at Lowveld Walkers we love each other, we care for each other. Like when we had the accident, everyone was in pain, so we loved each other. I was not the only one who was hurt. Some people were hurt. Like in Shangani, he was also hurt right here. So we care for him. We must pray for him to recover.
Okay.
I also learned to say we must love each other and care for each other because loving each other it's like that, and you must treat the people the same way.
People the same way you want to be treated. Yes. Okay. So you guys, manen bancane nje, but ninelwadi kakhulu ngeLowveld Walkers. Kuyajabulisa lokho ke, kuyajabulisa. So aseningitshele nikina attend ama camps or any hiking. I attend. So how was it?
Like at Sabi, I was also scared because the mountains were so, and I'm afraid of heights.
Oh, you went to Sabi?
Yeah.
Okay.
I also went to the farm place.
Oh, okay.
Like where it was sleeping. The first camp, it was so scary for me because I was afraid of heights. We walked long ways. We walked then the day after we went hiking. I was also scared by hiking because I'm afraid of heights. Like the second one I was ready because I was sleeping, so I almost went into the river. So
that's sad. You almost.
Yeah.
Okay guys, how would you advise Mundi longa yati Lowveld Walkers or Mundi lofisa kuwati ngeLowveld Walkers lofuna kujoina but agana lwati? What can you tell that particular person?
See, you join with Lucas. It's free.
Okay.
You don't pay anything and you come by and pay there's no judgment. Okay, Lowveld Walkers you can get that for free now, you're gonna know, you don't have to bring your own fees because every time there's a WhatsApp. You're also gonna live healthy, you're gonna live a physical life, you're gonna lose weight, and you're gonna learn, you're gonna make friends, you're gonna also use to be, if you want information, you call Mr. Mashaba or Mr. Stripping or Mr. Sidla or Mr. Slido.
Okay, ngiyabonga. That was it for today. Mind sharing ukuthi ngwaphi ma social media let's now.
TikTok, it's Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, Twitter.
We also have YouTube.
YouTube.
So nanoma ngibani lokuphi if afuna Kwandile Lowveld Walkers, you can come to us or you can just visit any of our social media platforms. We have TikTok, we have WhatsApp channel, we have Instagram, we have YouTube, we have Twitter. So ungalahleki sikhona. Bye guys.